With the success of the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, it's exciting to see what's next. The Pixel 9 series is coming soon, and we already have some leaks about it. This year, we expect 3 new phones to hit the market. Here's everything we know about the upcoming Pixel 9 series. This year, Google is set to release 3 distinct models, adding more options for users. Small phone fans will be thrilled to know that a compact Pixel with a telephoto lens is on the way. The lineup includes the standard Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, and a smaller version of the Pro, codenamed Cayman. The smaller Pro, with a 6.3-inch display, aims to offer all the high-end features in a more pocket-friendly size, similar to the iPhone 14 Pro's success. The standard Pixel 9 will have a new camera bar design, resembling the Pixel Fold from 2023, but without a telephoto lens. It features flat edges and rounded corners, echoing designs from Apple and Samsung. The Pixel 9 is expected to have a 6.03-inch display, although it might be closer to 6.1 inches due to its rounded corners. The Pixel 9 Pro, sharing its size with the standard Pixel 9, will sport a 6.2-inch display thanks to slimmer bezels. It includes a telephoto lens, adding a premium touch without increasing the camera bar's thickness. Leaks have shown a matte glass back with a glossy frame, highlighting its sleek design. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, the largest in the lineup, will continue from the Pixel 8 Pro with a 6.7-inch display. It features the same triple lens setup and new camera bar design. Its dimensions are nearly identical to the Pixel 8 Pro, ensuring a familiar yet refined look. Early leaks, including real-world photos, show the Pixel 9 Pro's compact size compared to larger phones like the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This new lineup is set to shake up the market with its blend of innovation and familiar design cues. Plus, there are rumors about a Pixel Fold 2 possibly joining the lineup as the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, although this is yet to be confirmed. As we await official details, the excitement for Google's upcoming releases continues to build. Let's talk about what these phones will have in common. They'll all use the Tensor G4 chip, which is like the brain of the phone. It's a bit better than the previous one, but it's still made by Samsung, not Google like they wanted. It might not be as fast as iPhones or Samsung's, but it should do the job. Also, they'll all have a new modem from Samsung, which should make the internet faster and use less battery. This modem might also let the phones connect to satellites, which is cool. We're not sure if the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL will have different amounts of memory and storage. Last year's Pixel 8 Pro had more memory than the regular Pixel 8. It would be nice if they all had the same, but Google might save some features for the more expensive models. In 2024, the phones might use a new way to charge called Qi 2. It's supposed to be better than before and might even work with special magnets for easier charging. This could be available on all models, not just the expensive ones. Similar to how the Pixel 8 series introduced Android 14, the Pixel 9 series is expected to be the first to come with Android 15 pre-installed. While we don't know all the details yet, the current Android 15 Beta 2 offers features like private space for hiding apps and improvements to predictive back. Google is likely to focus heavily on AI in 2024, building on the progress made with the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 9 series might even introduce a new assistant called Pixie, powered by Gemini technology, offering offline functionality and enhanced performance. Just like the Pixel 8, the Pixel 9 series is expected to receive updates for 7 years, ensuring support until 2031. This longevity could make Google's smartphones some of the best value options on the market. The Pixel 9 Pro might introduce a telephoto lens, potentially matching its larger counterpart for the first time. Google could follow Apple's approach by using a slightly less powerful version in the smaller model. However, confirmation awaits more rumors. Meanwhile, the standard Pixel 9 won't feature this telephoto lens. While hardware upgrades are possible, the Pixel 9 series shines in software innovations. Expect Google to focus on AI-driven processing and software enhancements for top-notch camera performance. Reports suggest the main camera sensor could be the ISOCELL GNV from Samsung, but Google hasn't revealed details about its latest hardware. Guessing the Pixel 9 series pricing this early is tough. Historical patterns hint at the Pixel 9 starting around $650 to $700, with the Pixel 9 Pro likely at $800 and the Pixel 9 Pro XL hitting $1,000. The Pixel 9 series is likely to be unveiled in the first week of October, as per Google's usual schedule. Look for an official announcement followed by availability on store shelves a week later. Meanwhile, if you're eager for new hardware or seeking a more budget-friendly option, the Pixel 8a is already on sale. Despite expectations, Google didn't tease its new hardware at I/O 2024, so we'll have to wait a bit longer for the official reveal. However, if your current device is still working fine, it's exciting to anticipate what's next. For Google, the future looks promising, with the Pixel 9 lineup set to bring new innovations. Whether you're ready to upgrade now or patiently anticipating what's to come, stay tuned for more updates as we journey into the future of Google's innovative technology.